In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Monday.com desktop app. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Monday.com website. It's always a good idea to make sure you're on the official site before downloading any software, since that helps you avoid unofficial or outdated files. Once the website loads, take a moment to look around for the desktop app download option. Depending on the page layout, this may appear in the main navigation, the footer, or on a dedicated apps or downloads page. When you find the download section, choose the version that matches your computer. For most people, this will be either the Windows version or the Mac version. If you're not completely sure which one your device uses, you may want to quickly check your computer's system information before continuing. Downloading the correct version will make the installation process smoother and help avoid compatibility issues. After selecting the right version, begin the download and wait for the installer file to finish saving to your computer. This may only take a few seconds or a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the file has downloaded, open it to begin the installation process. Your computer may ask for permission to run the installer, which is normal for newly downloaded applications. If prompted, go ahead and approve it so the setup can continue. From there, simply follow the on-screen setup steps. These usually include reviewing a few basic installation prompts, confirming where the app should be installed, and allowing the installer to complete the process. In most cases, you can continue with the default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them. Let the installation finish fully before moving on. Once setup is complete, launch the Monday.com desktop app. You can usually open it immediately from the installer's final screen, or you can find it later in your Applications folder on Mac or through the Start menu on Windows. When the app opens, you'll be asked to log in with your Monday.com account. Enter your login details carefully and sign in to access your workspace. After that, you're ready to start using Monday.com from the desktop app instead of a browser, which can be more convenient for daily work and easier access, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and signed in to the Monday.com desktop app.